Okay, in this example, we're going to use the triangle exterior angle theorem to solve for the exterior angle. We're going to find the variable x and then plug it back in and find the angle. So we have an exterior angle right here, and what we're trying to teach y'all is that the two exterior angles, which would be G and F, add up to equal this outside angle. In this particular problem, it tells me that angle G is 11x minus 2. Angle F is 8x plus 4. And it tells me the exterior angle is 17x plus 10. So, like I said in the beginning, it's going to be angle F plus angle G equals the exterior angle. So it's going to be 8x plus 4, that's my angle F, plus angle G, which is 11x minus 2, and that's going to equal my exterior angle, which happens to be 17x plus 10. So you're just going to use your algebra. I'm going to combine my like terms. So 8x and 11x, that is 19x. 4 minus 2 is 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and move my x's to the left. So I'll do minus 17x. Minus 17x. That's gone. 2x, bring down my 2. Subtract 2. Then I'll divide by 2. And x is equal to 4. In this case, they want us to find angle F. Angle F is 8x, but I'm not putting the x, so I'm going to substitute for it. Plus 4. Substitute 4, because that was what I got for x. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4. 36 is my answer.